everyone, welcome back. My name is Sarah if you are new, and I am so glad that you are here with me. Today we are going to be doing this month's BOXYCHARM box. It is for the month of May, and I am super excited to see what is in this here box for this month. Just got it like yesterday or so, and I have not opened anything in it, and so we will be opening it together, and I'm going to try anything on that I don't have on yet. I just did like my foundation is all. Anywho, so if you want to see what we got here, let's get going. Okay, so we got the seal is broken. Let's see what we got in here. Alright, got Glam Glow. I think it's like an ocean theme month. I kind of looked at, I've seen a few like well, they're not sneak peeks. I saw like hints of what was coming in this month, and it was something to do with the water or something. So Make Waves is the theme for the month. So we have first, obviously that we see here is a big Glam Glow product. It's a cleanser, a daily conditioning cleanser. So I'm not going to be using this today, as I prepped my skin for this. I wasn't really anticipating a skincare product. Oh, but here is, I mean, this thing is huge. I like the, I don't know, I guess it's, oh, I know what this reminds me of, is when you see oil spilled in a parking lot and then the water hits it and then it gives like that kind of like rainbowy effect into the pavement. That's what it makes me think of. Okay, so we're just gonna try on these things. So next we have this Alamar Colorette Blush Trio. So we've got a very peachy blush. It has a lot of shine in it, as you can see. And then we've got a pinky one that's a little bit more matte. It's slightly. And then we've got a very peachy one. Okay, so we will try those. I did actually put on a little bit of bronzer, and then I stopped myself, not realizing that I didn't know what was in the box and whether or not there'd be something I'd be able to use on my face. So turns out I have face product. So we are going to go in with that. I don't know, what do I feel like? This is very typical of me, the mauvey pinky color. I'll go with something that's very not me, which is called Castaway here. That's not something I would typically go for, so we're gonna give it a go. I don't know how I could ever wear this by itself. I'm afraid to put highlighter on it. I'm gonna try to do an eye look with these. I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush, and we're gonna go into the pink one first. It looks like it's the least shiny. Okay, I'm gonna take some of that same pinky one. We're gonna throw it underneath here. Gonna take a little bit more of Castaway just to kind of harmonize the look, I guess. The other thing that came in my box is this Ciate Eye Luster Cream Shadow. This is so cool. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, super excited to use that. I actually have one of the brushes from last month's Boxy. I'm going to take it onto the wand. The eye cream I got is Cupid. Now it'll be really interesting to see how this goes with creasing or smudging. It feels okay on the lid, it doesn't burn or anything. If it doesn't crease, this stuff is gold. So we will see. I need just a little bit. I'm just gonna grab, I have my little Sephora palette here. I just can't not do something here. And then it looks like an eye pencil. It is from Bodyography in the shade Emerald. It's a nice green. We'll take that on the bottom. Let's see what it looks like. Very aqua. Do those look the same to you? This looks darker to me. I don't like it when they're not the same. All right, so we're gonna throw this on. We have a Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the color Stone. Okay, so we got it all on. Let me tell you my thoughts in case you couldn't tell already. So we have 5 items. Let's see what gets a star and what doesn't. Let's see. Oh yeah, this guy. Okay, now, do I know how this is gonna work or not? No, but given Glam Glow's reputation and the knowledge of their basic products in general, yeah, this is gonna get a star for sure. So my thoughts on the blush trio, it's kind of so-so. It is definitely usable, but the shades being also glowy is a little bit of a turn off. I feel a little bit awkward trying to throw a highlighter on with a blush that already has this much shine to it. So like, hence I passed on that today too. And this one is supposed to be a $22 value, so I'm just gonna pass on giving this one a star. And next, the Bodyography eyeliner. It has grid pigmentation. It did go on. I did throw it in the waterline, as you can see. I like it. I think that's a good one. I'm glad to have this into my collection now. I'm gonna give a star as well. The Bodyography eye pencil retails for $14. I think what would be the star of the show, and we're good so far. Let's see, let's test this. Next to no transferring on my ring finger here. Can you see that? Barely anything. I'll use my pinky on this eye. Barely any transfer. So this, as you saw, I applied with a brush to the wand. I definitely would have had no problem just using the wand directly. I just kind of felt like doing it this way this time. The Eyeliner Cream Eyeshadow is $22. Then we have the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. Love the color. This is definitely a great one because it's gonna look great on all sorts of skin tones for whoever gets these boxes. And then it was nice, I actually don't even have a Dose of Colors product yet in my collection, but I've always heard really good things about them, and I think this is a color they've had for a really long time. It's super comfortable. It's gonna be like any liquid lipstick though. My lips will totally get dried out by this for sure, so I will be having to grab my Bite Beauty mask tonight without a doubt. Yeah, totally love it. So that's gonna get a star. The Dose of Colors lipstick retails for $18. Let's see what we total up to. Hey Siri, what is 28 plus 22 plus 22 plus 18 plus 14? Boom, $104. What, I paid like $20 or something for this? That's a solid box. Even though there was one item that's like a so-so, it's not a total like trash item. All right, you guys, well, that concludes today's video. That is my May BOXYCHARM box. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you got it. Did you get anything different? Did you get anything the same? What'd you think? All right, well, don't forget to do all the deeds down there where you give it a big like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe down there also if you feel like you vibe with me, and of course ring that bell so you never miss any of my future videos. That's all for today. Thanks so much for being here. Thanks so much for watching. watching. I really appreciate it. Leave a comment down below, say hi, and until next time, stay well, stay blessed. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.